Good day, candidates. So, welcome to our assessment center, no? So, I introduce myself. My name is Jason Balyon, no? So, your TESDA assessor for 2D animation and C3, no? And as you can see, this is my ID, no, for TESDA verification. So, before we proceed, no, to our orientation, no, please sign up the attendance. So, after, if you fill up this attendance, pwede pa kipasa na ng admission slip nyo and assessment guide. So, based sa result no, ng yung self-assessment guide, no, nakita ko na meron na kayong knowledge no, about 2D animation. So, let's proceed na no, sa competency-based assessment. So for our objectives now, the purpose of this assessment is to determine whether you can perform the required units of competency according to industry standard. So for our unit of competency, no, as you can see in our PPT, we have basic, common, and core competency. Pero for now, no, we'll focus muna on core competency, no. So this is the summary. So pwede nyo siyang i-check. So kung na-check nyo na, proceed naman tayo no, sa ating rules. No? Dahil mamaya meron tayong task no, later. So remind ko lang no, for our assessment, strictly no coaching during the assessment. So bawal po muna tayo mag-usap no, or magturo o kaya naman magturuan. So be focused no, sa ginagawa nyong task later. So please observe proper safety procedures at all times no, para ma-maintain natin yung safetyness. And you may ask for clarification before starting the task, but not during the performance. So kung meron kayong mga katanungan or meron kayong gagawin, pakisabi na po ngayon no, para di na po tayo maabala mamaya. So meron po ba kayong clarification? If not naman po no, this is the competency assessment agreement. If you fully understand what I say. So thank you our candidates. So proceed naman po tayo no, sa ating animation facility floor plan. So as you can see no, for our facilities, we have institutional area, practical area, and for short we have different area no. And sa ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa practical area dahil we have task, we have actual practical task no. So kung mapapansin niyo dito, meron tayong table. Dito kayo nakapwesto sa gagawin ng actual task. And meron din tayong each of paper and pencil and marker. So gamitin nyo lang kung ano yung pwede nyo magamit. So ang ating topic ngayon no, is about budget proportion and anatomy and second animation. So this is the example of observation na checklist no. So diyan po tayo magbe-base ng mga grades sa ginagawa ninyo no. So if ready na kayo no, let's proceed to our task. Please raise your hand na lang po if you're done na for power to the animation task or activities.
Okay na po, sir.
So let me see your final test.
Okay na rin po, sir.
So please proceed. So this is your competency assessment result sa Marino or yung tinatawag natin first, no? So diyan po nakalagay yung mga result, no? Or yung mga grades sa activities ninyo. So paki-sign up na lang po, agree na po kayo sa result.
Okay na po, sir.
So yun na, thank you, no? So konting comments lang, no, about your activities. So based po sa drawing ni Mr. Gallego, tama po. Medyo nasunod nyo naman po, no, yung standard for our TESDA, no, 2D animation. But hindi siya fully created yung character. So marami pa po siyang kulang, no. So I'm sorry to say that you are not competent. So don't worry, no. Pwede ka pa naman mag-retake. And please sign up this Registry of Accredited Competency Assessors, no? Pakidala na lang po siya sa office kapag mag-retake na po kayo ulit. And based naman po kay Mr. Solicito, no? Sa kanyang animation character. So, nasunod naman niya yung mga lines and basic shapes and na-meet naman niya yung standard for our test, the 2D animation. So, I would like to say congratulations. You are competent, no? So, you're passed. So please sign up this registry of accredited of assessors, na. And pakidala na lang po siya sa office once na kukunin niyo na po yung inyong certificate. So for our discussion for today, no, yun lang naman po. And marami pong salamat.
Thank you, sir. Okay na.